Today I'm gonna introduce a backhoe loader, which model is 30-25. You can see like this machine here, and it is like pink backhoe loader, and or you can say articulate backhoe loader. And you can see the bracket is in front, and the behind is the digger. For the digger part, we have different attachments. Like if you want to choose the hydraulic hammer or anything like the telescopic arm, and we have it installed, and so it is optional, like for you to choose. You can see this place here, and also you can choose hydraulic hitch, quick hitch. It can help you change your attachment very quick, and also you can use bucket like different dimensions buckets like 0.4 or 0.3. It is up to your work conditions. Like this is joystick. It can help you choose without any force. And also this is suspension seat. It's very comfortable when you are operating this machine, and you can feel like it is very comfortable and without any different forces to make you exhausted. Also, this one has the air conditioner and also the fan here. Different temperature controlling systems, like as you like. Let me show you around. Just now I just did a brief introduction of the backhoe loader behind here, and then you can see, and if you want to have more information, you can access, and we will do it and revert any information that you like.
TDER